how to make private server in Roblox. So first what you want to do is of course open up a browser. Once you're there, just search for roblox.com. And once you've arrived on the website, what you need to do is just pick any game that you want. So let's say I want to make a private server on this game. I just simply click on it. Then here you will see about store and servers. So just simply click on servers right there. And there will be an option to create private server right there. Just simply click on it. And here, create a private server for free. You could also click on the server name. And you could just simply type anything. So I'm just gonna simply put test and click on buy now. And as you can see, you have successfully bought the camera face hangout private server from that particular author. And just simply click on customize if you want. So not all subscription is free. So there are games, of course, that needs Robux to access the private server, and there are also games that do not support on making a private server. So just remember that if you're gonna configure your private server, you could either make it friends allowed right here. Just simply click on it, and you can now add people, of course, so that they could join your private server. You could also generate a link so that you can send it to people that you want to join, or people that you want to make them join on your particular server. Let's say we go back right here, and I'll open up another game. Let's say Gym League right here. When I go to servers, as you can see, there is no option to make a private server, which means that it does not support making a private server. And that's basically it. That's how you basically make a private server or access a private server in Roblox.